Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the vanity mirror bulb. The only tool you will need here is a small flathead and the replacement bulb of your choice. So first I want to go over how to take off this lens. And from what you can see, one side has a little protrusion here and the other side has a little cutout right here that you can use to get your flathead in there and pry it out. And how it's placed in there is that the protrusion side goes into the side that is closest to you here. So the notch, the little cutout, will be the windshield side. And as you can see here, here's the hole for that cutout. And once you get in there and pry it out through this cutout, you're going to see the bulb resting in here. It'll be this shape type of bulb with 2 points that will rest inside of this hole and this hole here. So on one side, it'll be a little bit more flimsy and like curved, letting you know that you can bend this back to just drop the bulb out of there. Since you're making it wide, it should drop straight out. And when installing the bulb, I would go just place the bulb into the non-bending side, so the straight side, and then just slide this or bend this back and place the other side into the hole. And when placing the lens back in, you want to go with the side closest to you with the protrusion, stick it in the hole, and just snap it back into place. And that's it. Now starting it off, we will want to find the notch on the windshield side so we can pry off the lens. Then we want to squeeze the bent tab over so the bulb comes out. If you're installing a halogen bulb, it may be best to handle it with a glove so your oils don't create any hot spots. Now placing the bulb back in, I would put the straight non-bendable side in first, then slide it onto the other side. Give it a test to see if it all works, then move on to putting the lens back on. First, find the side with the protrusion and slot it into the hole closest to you. Then snap the other side into place. And just like that, you're all done. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.